you've been running OpenClaw or tried to set it up, hit the Docker errors, the config files, the VPS, the hosting, and just gave up, what I'm about to show you is going to reset your expectations of what an AI agent can actually do. I'm Omnia, and I've been building AI automations for 4 years, agentic workflows, AI agents, full production systems for my own company and for clients across multiple industries. I've seen everything in this space, and the best thing I've built is Charlie. She's not an AI assistant, she's an AI chief of staff. She creates her own specialized agents on the fly, coordinates them, and runs real production workflows. For the past year, 4 of us have been running our entire company through her. No VPS, no Docker, no terminals, and no 3 AM security handlings. That's the results. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how she works and why, after 4 years of building AI systems, this is the one I'll never walk away from. So what is Charlie? She's my AI chief of staff. She's always been the one agent that manages everything else. When I first built her, every agent was predefined. If a task didn't fit one of them, she was stuck. Now, she creates her own agents on the fly. Whatever the task is, she figures out what she needs and she builds it. Want a customer support for your business? Tell Charlie. She builds it, connected to WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, or whatever you use, and it's reusable from that point on. Let me show you what my day-to-day looks like with her. Charlie is connected to my whole Google Suite. And so if I go to my profile and integration, you can see here that it's connected to Slack, GitHub, Google Calendar, Telegram, and all the above. So I'm just gonna show you how it's connected by just connecting it now, and just show you how easy it is to set up the whole thing. So I'm just gonna get the pop-up. What you need to do is select the account you want to be managing, continue, and authorize. And now Charlie is connected to my whole calendar. So let's start with a simple question. I'm gonna just choose a new project for this. What does my week look like? And I hit send, and you will see here the whole platform and what she looks like. So Charlie right now is running on Opus 4, 1 million token, and she's now going through her setup. She says, I'll pull up your calendar for this week. So I'm just gonna say yes, go ahead. So I don't have to stay on the chat. I can leave it and even go back and find it from Telegram or WhatsApp. I will show you that later. But basically, she's gonna create the agent based on the templates. And you can see here, the template is the Google Calendar Assistant, and it has the GWS shared skill and the GWS calendar skill. Skills, commands, sub-agent, prompts, all of that is managed by Charlie. You don't have to know any of that. All you need to know is what you want, and then ask Charlie to do it for you, and she's gonna manage that. So the agent templates are living here. And for example, GWS is this one. So this is the agent that Charlie called on, and she created it from that template. So here I can see the messages from the agent and both Charlie and the agents from this view. And if I don't want to be saying that, I can just filter out and see only Charlie's responses. So Charlie decides on what model the agents she creates are going to be using. She's smart enough to know that. So she does use a lot of haiku or simple tasks. So that's my calendar. But I also have 2 clients meetings coming up, and I have no idea who these people are. So let me ask Charlie to handle that. Find my next client meetings, prepare me for it, and send me the report on WhatsApp. So she's going to check my calendar, research the clients, and send me the briefing on WhatsApp. Right, she found 2, 1 today and 1 tomorrow. I'm just gonna tell her to look up both. She's researching the companies, the attendees, looking them up everywhere. And you can see the briefing is ready, company details, use cases, questions to ask, tactical notes, everything I need before walking in. And she sends it straight to my WhatsApp. I'm just gonna ask her to send me a PDF instead so I can read it properly. 8 pages, fully prepared for both meetings. I didn't do any of the work. Look, if you are technical and you want full control of every piece of the stack, OpenClaw gives you that. It's an incredible open source product. But if you're a founder, a small team, a creator, or just someone who wants AI agents to run their business, not a new side project that requires server maintenance and security checks, then this is what that looks like. Calendar, email, WhatsApp, Telegram, what have you, all connected. A customer support bot could be built in minutes. 4 people running a company with 0 meetings, that's not a demo. It's just a Tuesday for us. I'm going to do a full deep dive video, step by step, on how to sign up, set up everything, connect everything. Link to Cloud Station is in the description. And if you're watching this thinking, could Charlie actually handle my use case? Drop a comment down below and tell me what you're working on, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. If this is useful for you, hit subscribe, like the video. I'm going deep on AI agents that actually work for your business, not just demos. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.